Engineer Khanani.
अंदाज़े बयां गर्चे बहुत शौक नहीं, अंदाज़े बयां गर्चे बहुत शौक नहीं, शायद कि उतर जाए तेरे दिल में मेरी ये बात. Respected Chair, Session Secretary, fellow engineers and distinguished guests, it is both an honor and responsibility to present at this prestigious platform the 39th Multi-Topic International Symposium 2025 organized by IEEEP today. This is my second presentation at IEEEP. I made a presentation almost 20 years ago on proposing a roadmap on continuous professional education (CPE) for engineers. IEEEP has long served as a beacon for innovation and technical progress in Pakistan's power and engineering sectors. And I am proud to be the part of its transformative vision and engineering sectors. And I am dedicating this paper to my mentor, Engineer Roland D'Souza, founder FND Consulting Engineers, who mentored me and founded my professional foundations. So, you can skip this. So before going to the introduction of blockchain applications in Pakistan's power sector, first I would like to set the context and deliberate some brief on Pakistan's renewable energy landscape. Pakistan stands at a critical energy crossroad, facing climate vulnerabilities while holding immense potential in solar, wind and hydropower. With COP29 commitments, the SDGs and our net zero targets, we must rethink traditional systems and embrace transparency, automation and traceability in energy markets. I would discuss today the role of blockchain in transforming the power sector. Blockchain is not merely buzzword. It is a trustless, immutable and distributed ledger technology that can radically enhance energy trading, carbon accounting and policy compliance. I will now touch and present following key terms and concepts which are core of my presentation. I am an electrical engineer, but MBA by BB. What is MBA BB? MBA is Mammon Business Administration and BB is by birth. So in every sphere of engineering, and my presentation to my community young entrepreneurs, idea to invoice. कोई भी ऐसा आइडिया जिससे इनवॉइस रेज ना हो वो इनोवेशन नहीं है. So I am the advisor of Higher Education Commission. I am on boards of almost 13 listed and unlisted companies with Arif Habib Group, and recently I have appointed on SOE, state-owned enterprise, Genco 2, and several startups in the US and Canada and Middle East. So now again I am focusing on renewable energy certificates. The renewable energy certificate is a new concept in Pakistan. My company Magna Engineering Private Limited has started the tokenization of real estate under sandbox testing with SCCP. SCCP is Securities Exchange Commission of Pakistan, and this is the first time that real estate will be tokenized. For example, 1,000 square feet will be fractionalized into say 1,000 tokens of 1 square feet each, and each token will be through smart contract will be registered at National Registry or the custodian. So we are set and going to roll out this tokenization of real estate soon under the supervision of SCCP in partnering with Central Depository Company, NCCPL, Arif Habib Global REIT Management Limited, my company Magna Engineering Private Limited, Blockanica Technologies, who provided the technology, and a couple of other partners. So renewable energy certificate is a verifiable proof of renewable generation. The carbon credit tokenization turning emissions savings into tradable digital assets, and voluntary carbon markets enabling both local and international buyers to offset emissions transparently. At this point of time, we don't have any such concepts in Pakistan, but in India, they have a registered first energy registry for renewables. In Singapore and a couple of other countries, they are practicing the renewable energy certificates. So as I said that Magna Engineering Private Limited is practicing distributed ledger technology, which is a part and parcel of blockchain technology, and going to tokenized real estate in Pakistan. Right now, under the approval, these tokens will be traded through fiat currency, which is Pak rupee. But in future, that can be traded through crypto. The Pakistan Crypto Council has already been established, and I am also working with Ministry of IT and IT and Telecom and other relevant industries to evolve the ecosystem of blockchain and digital assets in Pakistan. Building upon the insights and lessons learned during this process of real estate tokenization, the company name of real estate tokenization, the first company in Pakistan registered is a real estate tokenization company with SCCP. The name is DigiState. The DigiState is the first marketplace where any individual or corporate can tokenize their properties. If you want to sell your apartment of 1,000 square feet, 500 square feet, or 100 square yard, or 1,000 square yard, or any land parcel or property, you can tokenize through DigiState. So building upon the insights and lessons learned during this process of DigiState, we are now poised to launch a renewable energy certificate platform in collaboration with the LUMS Energy Institute, NICA, and a couple of other sustainability and energy conservation platforms in Pakistan. We right now initially focused on solar energy production at the enterprise level. Our primary target includes export-oriented organization with installed solar or wind power capacity of at least 1 megawatt. This initiative will enable automated issuance of renewable energy certificates using smart contracts. So smart contracts is the name of the mantra through blockchain, and smart contract is a string which is not reproducible and is not immutable. So the measurement unit for REC would be 1 megawatt hour per REC, and this will help our industries and larger organizations to get green finance from State Bank of Pakistan and other banking institutions. We have already developed a national blockchain REC platform with the name of EcoLedger, and associated with all climate tech and practitioners of sustainability all across Pakistan industry academia. And the EcoLedger would be the Pakistan first integrated platform for blockchain based REC registry, which will be integrated with voluntary carbon markets and in partnership with various certifiers, IoT platforms and policy agencies. Now I will be coming to my PowerPoint presentation on blockchain applications in Pakistan. So as I discussed, the introduction is Pakistan, transforming Pakistan's power sector and blockchain with blockchain. This is the diagram of blockchain. As I mentioned, that distributed ledger technology is the core of blockchain, and we are authorized by SCCP that we have to practice the DLT hyperledger. Blockchain key advantage: immutable and transparent records, and no hampering of record or is possible in this DLT. And the smart contracts for automation is the name of the game. So as I spoke, key definitions of blockchain, REC, so I'm skipping. Carbon credits and voluntary carbon markets and smart contracts we recently discussed. NICA will be the partnering organization to this. NICA is National Energy Efficiency and Conservation Authority, responsible for energy conservation efforts in Pakistan. NICA recently made ECBC 2023, and with some world known organizations, and the voluntary adoption of ECBC is in progress, and we are expecting soon It will be compulsion through Ministry of Climate Change for all new buildings first and then the retrofit buildings. The building management system is very much popular in the large high-rise buildings, mid-rise buildings and industries. So key applications in power sectors are especially in blockchain use cases in Pakistan. So give me a minute. So as we discussed the key applications in power sector, right now we are pioneering the renewable energy certificates, carbon credit tokenization and voluntary carbon markets. Recently in COP29 at Baku, Pakistan has evolved the voluntary carbon markets and carbon credit related regulations, and soon the carbon credit market will be the reality in Pakistan. See, voluntary ECBC 2023 implementation will provide the projects of carbon credit, and the ECBC implementation through blockchain will be only possible with the role of NICA, Energy Conservation Building Code, ECBC, and the pilot projects of mixed-use buildings, especially high-rise buildings and export-oriented complexes, which are mainly exporting textile goods from Pakistan, and tokenizing these energy savings. The technical framework is integrating tech stack with blockchain, and at a later stage, smart meters and BMS integration for validating RECs, renewable energy certificates, IoT and real-time data feeds, and smart contracts for automatic validation and settlements can be exercised for producing RECs. The global inspirations that Singapore Power Ledger is the reality, and as I said that we have established Eco Ledger in Pakistan. So soon Eco Ledger will be the similar platform as Power Ledger in Singapore. In South Korea, KEPCO Carbon Trading is the VCM, voluntary carbon market in Korea. And in UAE, Smart Dubai initiative. So in our region, UAE is way ahead than other regional countries. So this is Pakistan roadmap for Pakistan blockchain energy transition is that for focusing to start with Lahore, Karachi and Islamabad to select pilot high-rise buildings and buildings which produce renewable energies more than 1 megawatt, and then regulatory sandboxes. The sandbox is a new mantra for all regulatory organizations throughout the world to test ideas under controlled environment. So Pakistan has already entered into that era, and I'm hoping that IEEEP and other professional organizations to start such sandbox testings, live testings under controlled environment to develop the commercializable and viable and feasible product. So this roadmap for Pakistan I'm just going to finish my presentation within 5 minutes, inshallah. So regulatory sandbox is, as I told, that is the new mantra in this innovative and startup economy. DigiState is also housed at National Incubation Center and University as a startup, and DigiState won 2024 IEEEP competition. DigiState is also registered with Saudi FinTech recently, and Saudi Arabia and Qatar Financial Center. They want to replicate their sandbox in Saudi Arabia and Qatar. So Pakistan Roadmap platform and ecosystem development, which we are doing right now, and stakeholder engagement is a very difficult task with public-private partnership, but we will, inshallah, will be able to complete this cycle by end of this year. So alignment with the national goals. So private and climate commitments, which Pakistani's Ministry of Climate Change, they already signed government level NDCs, and which will help unlocking the climate finance opportunities, and that will pave the way forward for clean energy transition for Pakistan. These are the strategic advantages for blockchain inclusion in Pakistan. That blockchain is a transparent and trustless system. Scalable carbon trading is possible through blockchain, positioning Pakistan as a regional energy hub. The business plan. Business plan for blockchain-based REC platform linked with VCM. The strategic objectives, the link of RECs with voluntary carbon markets. And these are the key stakeholders. Without their support, we cannot implement the whole plan. The key stakeholders and partnerships are government and regulators, the IEEEP, Alternative Energy Development Board, NEPRA, SCCP, Ministry of Climate Change, and NICA. All public sector organizations. Standard and verifications, VERA, Gold Standard, ISO 14064 and 50001, and CDM. These are the standards. The professional bodies, Pakistan Engineering Council, ICAP, IEEEP, SDPI, and ICAP for ESG assurance. The technology partners would be Ecoledger, as we spoke earlier, Blockanica Technologies for DLT infrastructure, DigiState for digital twin use of RE infrastructure and local data centers. The industry partners would be K Electric, Engr Energy, Hubco, Aga Steel, because Aga Steel is RE100 corporates and they have sustainable footprint, and other P6 listed corporations. And academia and think tanks like NUST, IEEEP, Lamps Energy Institute, ComSet, IBA, etc. So core feature of the platform we have already discussed briefly, and this blockchain integration by sector. This is the integration of blockchain integration potential by sector in terms of percentage, the government services, transport, industry, real estate, and power generation companies. So next steps for and call for collaboration. I would suggest this initiative is deeply aligned with NICA's ECBC's 2023 and Pakistan NDC goals and energy efficiency mandate. IEEEP through events like this symposium plays and can play a pivotal role in showcasing such transformative technologies, bridging gap between engineers, regulators, and entrepreneurs, and facilitating national conservation or energy innovations. The call to action of my paper is that we openly invite energy producers to pilot blockchain verified RECs and especially the August IEEEP Managing Committee and the seasoned professionals sitting here in front of me. Certifiers and regulators to join hands for standardization. We have already started our dialogue with NEFRA. Academic and policy institutions to co-develop framework like Lumps Energy Institute and NICA has already been started. I am looking forward to sign an MOU with IEEEP to get support and help from IEEEP. So thank you very much for providing this kind of opportunity, and I will be available for question and answer if session secretary and or chairman is allowed.
Yes, sir. The question and answer session will be at the end of the entire day.
Thank you. So nice of you.
शायद से उतर जाए तेरे दिल में मेरी बात, दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है, पर नहीं ताकत बर्बाद कर रखती है. Thank you very much, sir, for